Good morning, students. Today we will do a new topic. The topic is this one: calculation of percentage composition of elements from the formula of a compound. Calculation of percentage composition of elements from the formula of a compound. Suppose a compound is given whose formula is like this: MgSO4. This is called magnesium sulfate. Now in this compound there are three types of elements present. Magnesium is present, sulfur is present, oxygen is present. Now you have to determine in this compound how many percentage of magnesium present, how many percentage of sulfur present, how many percentage of oxygen present. That you have to determine, and that is called calculation of percentage composition of elements from the formula of a compound. So a compound will be supplied to you. You have to find out the percentage composition of different elements. So first time I will give you the formula how to determine percentage composition of the element. Percentage composition of element this is equal number of parts of element, number of parts by mass, number of parts by mass of the element divided by molar mass of the compound whole thing multiplied by 100. This is the formula to determine percentage composition of element. Number of parts by mass of the element divided by molar mass of the compound whole thing multiplied by 100. So this is the formula to determine percentage composition of different element present in a compound. Now I will take one example and I will find out the percentage composition. Now suppose the question is given like this: calculate the percentage composition of elements present in MgSO4 magnesium sulfate. So you have to find out the percentage of magnesium, percentage of sulfur and percentage of oxygen separately. So to determine this you have to do like this: solution, percentage composition of magnesium, this is equal, now I will put the value, number of parts by mass of the element. Here how many magnesium present? Only one magnesium. What is the mass of magnesium? Mass of magnesium is 24. So one magnesium, that's why 24. This is the number of parts by mass of the element divided by the molar mass of the compound. Molar mass means the total mass of the compound. Magnesium 24, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, 4 oxygen, that's why into 4. I mean 24 plus 32 plus 64. So after calculation you will get 120. This is called molar mass of the compound. So 24 divided by 120, this is the molar mass of the compound, you multiplied by 100. You will get the percentage composition of magnesium. Similarly, percentage composition of sulfur in magnesium sulfate. In MgSO4 only one sulfur present, that's why mass of sulfur is 32, molar mass of the compound is 120, whole thing multiplied by 100. You will get the percentage of sulfur. Similarly, percentage composition of oxygen, this is equal, number of parts of oxygen, your formula is MgSO4. There are 4 oxygen in the formula. Oxygen mass is 16. Since there are 4 oxygen, that's why multiplied by 4. 16 into 4 divided by 120, whole thing multiplied by 100. So like this way you can find out the percentage. So when you calculate this, you will get 20%, when you calculate this, you will get 26.67%, and when you calculate this, you will get 53.33%. So like this way you can find out the percentage composition of different elements. But one thing you should know, the total percentage, when you add this thing, it should be 100, because we are determining the percentage, so total must be 100. So like this way you can find out the percentage composition of different elements present in a compound. So this is one of the topic. You will get this type of question in exam. Now another topic I will do, that is empirical formula, EMPERICAL, empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula and molecular formula. You know about molecular formula. For example, molecular formula of water, H2O. Molecular formula of ammonia, NH3. Molecular formula of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So like this way you know the formula, molecular formula of the compound. So actually what is molecular formula? Molecular formula means it gives the actual number of atoms present in a compound, present in a molecule of a compound. Again I repeat, molecular formula gives the actual number of atoms in a molecule present in a compound. Now what is empirical formula? Now look this. You know one compound which is called benzene. The molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. This is the molecular formula of benzene. It is one of the organic compound. Its formula is C6H6. Now here, what is the ratio of carbon and hydrogen? Carbon 6, hydrogen also 6. So what about the simple ratio? You can write 1:1. So the empirical formula for this compound will be C1H1. So have you got it? What is molecular formula and empirical formula? Molecular formula gives the actual number of atoms present in a molecule of a compound. But empirical formula gives simply the ratio of different atoms in a molecule of a compound. So molecular formula gives the actual number of atoms and empirical formula gives the simple ratio of the atoms. This is the difference between molecular formula and empirical formula. And there is a relation between the molecular formula and empirical formula. The relation is molecular formula is equal empirical formula whole into n. I mean, if you know the empirical formula, you can find out the molecular formula. What is n? N, if you want to determine, the formula is molecular mass or molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. When you do it, you will get the value of n. Suppose you get a formula, empirical formula C1H1. This is the empirical formula. And suppose for this, the n value you will get 6. Then molecular formula will be like this, C1H1 whole into n, I mean 6. You will get the formula C6H6. So this is the relation between the empirical formula and molecular formula. In some compound, empirical formula, molecular formula both are same. I mean n value you will get 1. So like this way, molecular formula gives the actual number of atoms and empirical formula gives simply the ratio of atoms present in a molecule of a compound. And this is the relation between molecular formula and empirical formula. Thank you.